Bingo. Yeah, that looks like it's working. Some tunage. Hello, welcome. It's Wednesday again. Hello, Codename V, TTE fam, Argosh, Rob Smith Dev, Proton, Finish Gold, Flexion, Gridpoint, Axie, Cablish, Curl. 5 months. 5-week months suck. I don't understand. Oh, because there's no DJ set. Yeah, sorry about that. Pigpen Pete, the Lizard, Glaced, hey, how you doing? Llama, Poetic Android, Zemich, Commander Keen, obviously. Pigpen Pete. Everyone else, Riker77, welcome in. Doctor, thanks for the sub, mate. 20-month streak, Jesus. Patu, thank you very much. Welcome in. Yeah, I've just had an interesting realisation. So, as you can probably see, we're doing this. We've got to finish this off, right? Because we got quite far. Except, if you remember last week, I was having a few issues with BAM not valid and discs going slightly wrong on me. Well, it turns out that I wasn't paying attention. And I'd used one of the 5 demo discs that I use every week to store the actual crack file bootloader that we'd already done, or the patch bootloader. So I've overwritten that with a demo. so that's okay, because I have my notes. So we can just recreate it super quick. It won't be a problem. Yes, oops, Gridpoint. Yes, very much oops. We've got some demos to watch, no way. So, VOD AR screen. I don't understand. There we go. Twitch VOD, screen cap of the AR. No, it's fine. It's fine. All my notes are here, so all the patch points are listed here. How we ripped the disc is here, although there's a missing bit from this. So if you remember, who makes backup these days? Well, I put it on the computer and it's usually fine. Hello, Flexion. So I've got all the details here anyway, so I just have to recode it. It won't take very long. But if you remember, parts of the intro music were missing, and we cannot crack Outrun without having that horrific intro music included. So there's a section here on the flip side of the disc that we need to resolve. So we need to recreate the ripper, but that's not going to take very long. That's going to be quite easy to do. I literally remember what we were doing from last week, so it should be super quick. Ripper Doc, welcome in. Make on my 30-minute... oh, well, there we go. So yeah, the Shed Arcade, welcome in, mate. So yeah, I can ask the question now. Pick a number between 1 and 5. It should be super quick. Was never said by any IT guy. Oh, Commander King straight in there with number 5. No, taken. It's taken. Where's the bloody thing? There it is. Nope. Oh. It's a good one, this one. Azido88, welcome in. Dark Trancer. I'm going to run out of beer very quickly. I'm going to have to run down after I get a demo running. Oh! This was actually disc 1, I'm sorry. Anyway. There you go. Blood Sugar Rises by there you go. By Attention Whore. There you go. This demo won your 1200 last year, Chucky. Yes, it did. It was the winner of the revision demo compo. There's some good stuff in there. A lot of people really like it. I'm not so much of a fan, if I'm honest. But I thought there's some good stuff in it. But yeah, I think I think my biggest issue is the soundtrack. It's just needs a bit more, you know. It's a work of art. See, everyone loves it. See, I'm just not right on this one, am I? So yeah. Best group name ever after Polka Brothers. Yeah, that's a pretty good name actually. Attention Whore. Needs a bit of breaks. Well, yeah, I mean, you know, just some better instruments. But hey, you should get on this level, Hoffman. All I hear is talk. Yeah. Mate, we've all got our own individual styles. That's not mine. So right. Pick a number between 2 and 5. Oh, code name. And Pigpen Pete. Here you go. The thing that put the cat amongst the pigeons. Yeah, that's enough of that. There you go. TM2. The most controversial release. I'm gonna give it a clap. I mean, actually, looking at it on screen, the image tech for displaying it and stuff's really good. But yeah, big no to using AI art and getting away with it. So it's like a digital comic with terrible sound quality. Yeah, I mean that's a perfect description of it. Hey DVS, how you doing? And yeah, it's. I mean, it's not a demo, is it? It's a slideshow at best. So, sorry. Yeah, but the artwork's AI though, isn't it? Even if you sketch, you still, you know. Anyway, what we doing for time? 20 minutes. Okay, 2, 4, or 5. 2, 4, or 5. 2, 4, or 5. That's the question. 2. What did I put on this one? Hoffman sounds like my wife sounded for 4 weeks. Oh, coughing. All right. Yeah, I've always got a cough. Don't know why. Oh, I know what this is. This is the demo. This was the bonus in the archive and not the actual demo, I think. Or no, it's the other one. Short and sweet. But yeah, I like that. That was good. That's by Void. I can't remember what it's called. Right, I'm going to skip 4 because 4's not the demo that it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah. We'll give that a clap. I quite like that, actually. I mean, there's not a lot to it, but it is good. Manima, how you doing, mate? Playton as well. How you doing? JC1980 needs more balls, I guess, or bells and whistles. I don't know. We've shown this one before, but I'm going to do it again because it's a great 40k. I believe it's winner of GURP. And it's really good. Hoffy, yeah, that's good. Yeah, I love Hoffy. I like that. Yes, this is Desire FM from your fellow group mates, Playton. There's no decrunch colours. Look at that. Fuel, yes, all the demos today are on the A500 because Pillock, what demo was that? That was Desire FM by Desire. I do remember actually, Hooverphonic, if you're there, mate. You remember us taking the mickey out of Ramon from Desire, saying, has he not asked you to join Desire yet? That was funny. Oh dear. Yeah. That was good. It's good fun. Oh god, I've probably run out of demos now because the other disc is rubbish. But anyway, that means it's time to Outrun, isn't it? Let's get some background. Yeah, that was funny. Right, Outrun, best game, best music, best intro, most fantastic intro ever made. Jab, how you doing? Welcome in. Right, so if you missed the start of the stream, where I explained that one of these 5 demo discs had our patched loader on, and I overwrote it, so I've actually lost some of the work we did last week, which is great. Stuff like this makes me wish you could make a modern system as open as the Amiga and as powerful as relative PC today. Yeah, that's Hector, that's a PC. If you're looking for something similar, then maybe you should have a look at the TIC 80 or the Pico 8, actually. They're really great fun. Really, really low bar of entry in terms of difficulty. It's just really good. TIC 80 is great. It's really good. So yeah. Right, let's see what files I actually do have. Right. Is there any on there? Okay, that disc isn't broken. So that's a good start. And we've still got our tracks disc. So we ripped the tracks. So the original game, which we've got here on disc, the way the disc loader works is that it reads basically the top side of the disc, and then the bottom side of the disc is done sequentially. Oh shit. Disc label's ripped off. It's okay. That's fine. Oh god. Gwen, you're raiding just as I'm ruining a very expensive copy of Outrun. The label's peeling off. Shit. Hello, Gwen. How you doing, mate? NE7, how you doing? I saw you there, mate. Nudie Elvin. Hoffman has a stream. Yes, we're here every Wednesday, being quite nefarious with an Amiga 500. Welcome in, Raiders. Spec Chum, how you doing? Great to see you, mate. Great to see you too, man. I've been trying to catch your streams for a bunch of weeks, but I just haven't got there. Modular, John Gibbons, Rainbow Chaser. Staple it back to the discs. 2 files called boot. Yeah, exactly. That disc is broken. Dobby Moogj. It's I don't. Yeah. I don't need to worry about that anyway. This is fine. This is fine. I'll just give it back to. I don't think we actually discussed how much Retro 32 paid for this boxed copy of Outrun, right? But in its defence, it does have the manual, and it does have the audio cassette of the arcade music included. So it is kind of sought after, but yeah, it's more than 50p. I can tell you that. Gwen, mate, what were you up to? I saw you were doing rave music or something. You'd have to contact US Gold, I think, for a refund on that. So, right, let's pull this a bit further forward. Right, so that disc did some old school rave. I mean, it's beautiful. Who doesn't love a bit of old school rave? Okay, so I've got my 2 files off of this, so let's format queue that bad boy. Okay, right. So files is that's safe, right? We've got an empty space there. Thalamoose, how you doing, mate? Right, let's just do another reset. Neversoft, yeah, it was on CMVG at one point. I remember that because my mate had it. I used to listen to that, and the quality of it was absolutely atrocious. So, right. So let's see what we got. It's ported by Pro, but normally do decent stuff. Shouldn't Thalamus be packing Seekonoids? Well, you know. Let's have a look here. Oh, so it looks like we already pre-patched this bootloader. Okay, so let me just try something out here. I remember now. Kill the DMA. Kill the interrupts. Oh, that's what we need to do. That's right. So we need to do a patch for the load routine. We need to convert the values from the load routine. D2 is the length, D7 is the start. Let me just look something up here because I've forgotten. Here we go. No, need that keyboard again. Can't see chat at the minute, so give me a mo. And you can't see what I'm doing, but don't worry, it's only... I'm only having a quick look at something. Well, that doesn't help me at all, does it? TT loader, there we go, edit that. Let's have a look here. Got it. Right. There you go. Thanks for the distraction there. Of course it was you, Thalamus. Of course it was. Terrible fire, mate. How you doing, Stephen? Right, let's write this patcher then. Right, so D0 is our start position in bytes. So move.w D7 into D0. Multiply that by that many bytes per track. Move.w D2, which is our start position. Yes, into D1. Multiply that by 1600. A0 is the load address, that's fine. And then, oh no, D1, sorry. And then clear D2 because that's the drive number. And then apply. We get 70200. I'm gonna just get away with that actually. Let's give that a try. And then I think if we just load the new loader straight after that. New loader.bin D4. Oh no, let's do it in 0. Okay. Okay. Let's save that as outload. Outload C0 to 266. Better get BAM invalid straight away. Okay, now we're in good stead. We're in good stead. It's okay. Right. So okay, yeah, into D1, do that, and then run the loader. Okay, right, let's see if this loads something. And then we're in a bit of a better position than we were when we started the stream. If you just caught the stream now and just catching up, you will have missed the fact that the patched bootloader and all the work that we did last week, I accidentally overwrote before the start of the stream, so we're just redoing that. So, right, tracks in. Oh, that's not so good. Okay. Oh, that's... they do have Write Protect dongles built in. I just forgotten Takoto, welcome in. Good evening. Right. No, that's the one. Outload. Okay, LM boot. Come on, 51234, right. Get rid of the interrupts. Let's actually set the status register to 2700 as well. December 51234. Yep. And then let's just jump to there. Oh, that doesn't add to the status register. Okay, so that's why. Okay. You got breakpoint? Okay, go 51234. Okay, that's good. Outload. 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 Can I see 0? Right, we'll automate this shit in a moment. Okay. Let's just see if it goes. Okay, that's not quite right, is it? This is a bit too weird, actually. There we go. Okay, whoa. Okay, good. Right, so that's kind of working. I don't know why that logo... Oh, because of the... Yeah, I know why. Right. Cool. Okay, so we're in a bit of a position now. So let's... We're kind of getting somewhere. Right, so what I want is... Let's start there. Let's do a little system killer. .s trap #0. That puts us into supervisor mode. Is that really that soon? Okay. LEA F400 into A0, LEA C0 .s into A1. Move.w, let's just do it for 300 bytes. Yep, it's D7. Move.bit A0 plus to A1 plus. So we're just doing a little copy routine to copy the loader down to that low address. 28, yep. Okay, trap, Let me just reread that. Trap gets to supervised mode, get rid of the interrupts, get rid of the DMA. F400, 4F400, yeah, okay. LM outload, for F400. Okay, and the other thing we want to just do. Can't actually remember where that was. Hang on a sec. .58, there we go. So we actually just need to patch that to be 5.8 for now. We need to patch that out later. Okay. Okay. BRA 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. Okay. Boot to 4F000 to 50400. Don't give me a BAM error this time, you son of a bitch. Okay, so a Marmite disaster on a weekly basis. What have I missed? Right, now this should just start loading this time. Oh, logo's broken though. Maritime, not Marmite. Fair. Fair. Right, okay. I don't know why that logo's being a bit shit. Ah! I know why. I know why. I know why. I remember now. Bugger. Right, give me a second here. So if you remember, the value that it uses for the number of tracks is actually down by 1. So we need to add Q.W. Can we do that in here? 1 to D2. And then do that. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, fuck. Let's reload that again. Hang on. Okay, right. Let's try that again. Right. Yep. Okay. And then lm new loader dot bin 4f416. Okay. That's better. Okay, SM boot 3. No, boot 2. We'll keep with that. Don't you give me a BAM not valid. I'm not trusting drive 2 today because that's where I had my problem last time. Right. Now it should show the logo correctly. There we go. Brilliant. Okay. Right. So this is just, we're just doing stuff to like get us back to where we were last week. So. Mayday, mayday, West Bam not valid. Love it. Okay, right. So, I have a patch list here. I tell you what we're going to do, actually. We're going to do this, because I just want to have a look at it before we go any further. So, let's get that main game code up into RAM. Okay. Just get a nice break point. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, right. So let's have a look at that. Let's load our bootloader back in. So we've got a nice clean area of memory. Okay. That's all back to normal. And then what we're going to do is for F800. This is where we're going to start putting our patches, but I just want to have a look at some of them first. So 3D80. Oh no, I had this problem last time. That's a B, isn't it? Where's my freaking pen? I'm not having that one go. 3DB. B. Yeah, that looks more like a B. Right, so that's something to do with disk routines. So we're gonna, I think that's like a track seek, so we'll just put an RTS into that. 3DB0. Okay. 3DF0 was the loader. So what we're gonna do with that? Oh, I've got the code for that as well. Hang on. Boost SE. Hello, welcome in. Music's a bit loud. That tune is a bit loud. Let's go. How about there? Is that better? Is Sorry. That tune is a bit noisy. I bet everything else is going to be too quiet now. Right. How are we doing? Okay, that's good. Thank you. No worries, mate. No worries. So, this one's 4EB0, 00C0 into 3DF0.S. Okay, so that's the track done. That's the RTS. We don't need to worry about that. Let's just call that one track. Right. Right. Oh, and then the other one was, there's a loop here at 4F. Let's go here. That does a test. We don't need to worry about that test. Okay. Okay, yeah, I know what these two are then. So these are the two patches. So it doesn't do the loop because we've already loaded all the tracks. We don't need to load one track. We're just doing what we need to do. So move.w C00C into 450.S, and then we move the same again into 472.S. Right. Yep. Yep. Okay, and there's one more here. 3D9C. 3D9C. Okay, yep. It's just another RTS, right? Move.w 4E75, which is an RTS, into 3D9C. 3D9C.S. Yes. Okay. Jump to 400.S. We'll just put that in for now. And then just to... we'll just disassemble that. Assemble that as 4F800. So rather than jumping to the main code, it jumps to our new patch. We'll call that boot 3 because we've done a lot of changes. 40500. Right. Music is a bit quiet now. Well, you know. Right. So just from the top, let's just do a reset. Bon Cafe, welcome in. Okay, so LM boot 3 there. That copies the loader, does our prep, jumps to here, right? That loads up the intro, the Sega logo and the main game code, and then jumps to here, which then does our loader patching, right? Which means I think we're now back to where we started. So if I just go for F123, there you go. I wrote that tune. It's nearly 8 minutes. It is 8 minutes long. Oh, you son of a gun. Damn it. Okay. Better. Boot 3. Come on, 4 F123. Okay. It's not an odd address, is it? A, B, C. No. For E B 8. There we go. That's the problem with that. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, you ready for half of the intro music? Or none of it whatsoever? Darn Geek. Welcome in. Micah Zero team. What's happened with that? It's an improvement. That's trapped in a disk load somewhere, isn't it? That's not my disk load. Oh, you idiot, Ian. Why is that a JSR? Right. We're nearly there. Right. Okay. Okay. F. Oh yeah, that's not right at all. 4EF8 00C0. Right, let's get rid of that. Right. Okay. F8. Yeah, okay. SM boot 3. Okay. Go. F1, 2, 3. I don't think it's going to work.
US Gold present from
And this is where we have those missing tracks. Right, okay. Cool. Right, we are back to where we started last week. Right, so back to where we ended up last week. Hey Freo, how you doing, mate? Boot 3 for F123. Right, what I want to do is just Spec Chumster. Well, we might add that if we can get time. We might add that as an option in the crack trove, right? I'm great, thanks, mate. Right, 4 F8s 1 2 3. Okay, let's just set a breakpoint there. Right, and then go 4 F1 2 3. Right, what I need to do, there's one more patch I need to do, and then I think we'll be solid. So the thing that loads one track is at 3 FA. So if we look, our loader patcher is here, 3DF0, right? FA 3DF0. I think there's only one other call to this. Let's just leave it to run. Oh, it's 2. Ooh, okay. 3F, let's just make some notes here. 3F9E 58B0 58B0. I would say that's probably safe about there. 3F9E. And actually, I think the patch for that is just C00C. And I think, if we look at that, Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that is 3FA2. 3FA2. So the reason to explain the reason for this patch is that the way their loader works is it has, you'll see it's got a dbra here or dbf here. So that's the number of tracks, and then it executes, it BSRs to there, reads a track, and then loops round, doing bits and pieces. We don't do that. We load all the tracks that we need, and then quit. So once that loads, all the tracks are loaded, so we need to skip over this loop here. So that'll do that one. So it's 3F, Jesus, Ian, your writing's terrible. And the other one was a F8B0. Again, easily done. So that would be 600C. We branch that again. That'll branch to 5C2, which is again after that branch. So that's 58B4. 58B4. Right. D-cup bra. Right. So. Okay. So 4800, yep. So there's two more patches we need. Move.w, C600C into 3FA2.s, and then move.w, 600C into 58B4.s. Then that can jump to 400.s. And the game will now load. Ah, no, there's one more patch, which is that there, D2. If I remember rightly, move.longwords 70200 into D2.s. The MFM buffer moves when it moves into this section of the game. And then that's a jump to 400.s. Right, and I think that is, we'll call that boot 4. And I think, other than the fact that the intro music's missing some samples, I think that's everything. So, what I'm going to do is a BRB. There are a few variants. The US release has the intro music slightly... all of them crap, yes. Right, I'm going to do a BRB. Which BRB would you like today? We've got three choices. We've got Classic, we've got TTE, we've got X-Copy. And I promise I'll pick the right one this week. So, which do you want? X-Copy, Zemich 2. Yeah, I know. X-Copy is then. I'll click it correctly this time. Outrun, of course. The Outrun's off the table whilst we're cracking Outrun, I'm sorry. Right, I'm going to try and run some ads as well so you don't get some rolls later. You ain't going to miss anything. I'm going to go make a cup of tea for the wife. So, back in a bit. Yes, Fuel Snable, the Amiga 500 is the best computer of all time. No. There's mine. There's my beer. This makes people nervous, having the beer this close to an Amiga 500. And I like that. Okay. Right, so. That's it. We've got boot 4 now. This should... There's even source code in it. Oh my goodness. Cookie Poo Brain, how you doing? Okay, right. So, let's give this a try. This should, theoretically, boot up into the game and run. Apart from that title music being slightly broken. Hop, yes we are. I think, in terms of a crack, I think we're fully patched up now. We're just going to run a quick test. Oh, I had a breakpoint now. FA2, 58B4, yeah. Relocate the track buffer and go. I won't subject you to the intro again. Ah, damn. So close. Okay, so. JC1980, yeah, the intro is, the intro music is, it's a, well, it might be a noise tracker file. I think it's 16 instruments, so it might have a different tag on it. Okay, so what's wrong with that then? Maybe it's the track buffer, maybe. Yeah, 15 instruments, original soundtrack here, that's probably right. Okay. Let's just set a breakpoint there. Right. Put the game disc back in. "15 instruments should be enough for anybody." Fuel Snable, I have 31 instruments, and that's not enough for me. So. Was there a noise tracker in 1987? No, there wasn't. Okay, I want a FADFF020. I just want to just leave this running a sec. Oh, you absolute bastard. It looks like it moves that around then. That's annoying. Let's just check that. 355 FC. Okay. Okay. Okay, what else accesses that address then? 3, 5. I'm assuming it's because of the Jesus Christ. All that fluff. Okay, so that's the only thing that's going to be annoying, isn't it? There, that one there. God, that's annoying. Okay. Oh God, I want to avoid running the original disc. Right, let's okay. Set breakpoint there. Right, let's just Hop, I'd love to hear how you go about remaking a classic tune like the Nightmare ones. Is it all by ear and creating your own samples? Pretty much, sort of. Some of the trickier bits, you could throw me samples and challenge. Oh, that's quite an interesting challenge, actually. So, Hop, that's a great question. For Nightmare, yeah, a lot of it is by ear, but I will chuck stuff into Ableton and run it through the tell me what these notes are. The level of quality from that is not great, but you know, sometimes. NE7 though, I like that idea though. Like, here's a selection of samples, make something with it. That sounds like a great idea. We might do that. I'll give that some thought. Right. Okay. 3D F0. 3D F0, that was our load, wasn't it? Those are 2 single loads. We don't need to worry about those. Promise I won't be evil. I mean, that's pointless, that is. Okay. What's that one? That probably also needs patching, if I'm honest. That's definitely disc shit. Okay, let me just check here a sec. That's also a wait for disk. We don't need to worry about that. So actually, we've got 2 more things to add to our patch list because they're pointless. I'll use samples from Sounds of Gnome. Okay, let me just write these down. More RTSs. RTS. I don't think this is going to fix the loading though. So 3E E0. Whoops. 3E0. They might be causing some issues with our loader though. 3EF8. Okay. Still Outrun, yeah. Hey, Retro32, mate, how you doing? So this was it, wasn't it? Hang on, let me move back up here again. Okay, 3DFF is a 0, yeah. That's an RTS, that's fine. We don't care about that. Okay. Because that does nothing anymore. Yeah, that's fine. That doesn't matter. So that loads a single file here somehow. What do they do? RTS. Oh, that's another one. That's another disk routine, isn't it? 3E C2. C2, okay. I don't know if we really need to patch these, but let's just do it anyway. RTS, okay. So that's cleaning that up. Yes, I did see you bought that. I wonder if the Kix is officially cracked with no protection. Who knows? So that's a bunch of RTSs that we need to add in. Right. So it's the other loader I want to just check out. 3DF0 was it? One for 3DF0. It was around 5,000, wasn't it? Okay. Oh, there it is. That moves a memory address into there. That's a load address. An 84 to D2. Okay, so I don't see why any of that should actually fail. Okay, let's see how far it gets then. So 3EE0, that's been RTS'd. 3EFA. I don't think these are going to be causing a problem. 3EC2. But let's just see what happens. I'll tell you what we can do. Let's set accept on as well. There we go. Set the exception handler on.
US Gold.
That's interesting. You sent me a link to a fun set. You're a cheeky scamp, aren't you? Okay, well that didn't work, did it? Booty. Let me put the set exception on, right? Right, good. And then let's just run. The fuck? Right, reset. Bouteille. Why is this being a bastard today? Neversoft, I would describe him as an improvisational musician. How's that triggering an exception? The fuck? Okay, it's getting weird now. Oh, there is something I forgot to mention earlier. There is a little thing I'm working on. I'll explain later. The exception is that I'm cracking Outrun. That's the problem. Okay, let's not have the exception handler. Not quite a 0 day. Where's this one? No.
US.
Okay. 3DF0. That jump to C0. Let me just check what this actually does. I think that just... Yeah, just loads and decodes a track, doesn't it? Okay.
Present.
Right. So what called that? 7FFEC, right. This symbol, 3FA2, right. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so what does that do? It's another weight for no apparent reason. Oh, because these weights, we haven't actually taken those out. Okay. Okay, let's follow this back a little. Pixels, how you doing? Oh, sub for 18 months. Jesus Christ, man. That's a long old time, isn't it? Okay. Okay, maybe that's the problem. Let me just grab this a sec. 5, 7. But it's over here. 5, not on there. Over here, sorry. 5, 7. I wonder if it's because I'm not just clearing the D0 register on the way out. Which would be very annoying if that was the case. 571E. Right. Let's just run it. Okay. What are you trying to do? Okay, 6C0, what's that doing? Okay. Moving and a copying. 6AE. Set true to D0. Okay. So we've come down here somewhere. Let's get some tunes on. Let's see. 7FFE2. 52E. Okay. Whoa, I don't want to do that. Okay, that's probably trash load of... Is there 400 still there? No, it's starting to trash memory, hasn't it? Where were we? Let's try that again. Registers, A7, registers. 7FFE2, right. December 52E. No, I don't think it could be that, could it? That's what we come back to. So it's 6B2. So let's just set a breakpoint at 5. Let's run it again. 522, right? Don't snap your disc in half here. Boot for 4F123. Okay. 5800. Yeah. Swap the discs out. Go 4F123. Where was it? 522. Decimal 522. Okay. Breakpoint set at 522. Right, can you just give us a... I need to pop to the office very quickly. This will be super short, this BRB. Hang on a sec. To be fair, JC1980, any amaretto is nice. Even the cheap stuff. Right. So, it could be that our rip of the second side of the disc was bad. Let's have a think. That could potentially be it, actually. So, yeah, I was looking over at the chat, so I can definitely hit the button. I mean, the label, it's not off yet. It's, I could grab an IPF and try rip it. Let's rip it again, right? Nivrig, mate, how you doing? Okay. Nope, that one. Maybe the glue holds the bites to the disc, maybe. Right, let's set up something here then. CF800. LEAF800. PC. I know A. Yep. We've got along with A0 into A0.S. Trap 0. Needs to be in supervisor. Yep. Kill off the DMA. Kill off the interrupts. Right. Then LEAC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into A0. And then move.w FFFF into D7 clear.longword A0 plus. Hang on a sec. Yeah, okay, I am. LEA 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, A7. There we go. Let's get that stack point set. Okay. Move that into there. Clear and then clear. So we're just clearing slow RAM. D branch D7 F8 to A F8 to A. Yep. So theoretically speaking, that's that times 8. Which is, okay, cool. So that's all of fast RAM clear. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to call this rip. Right. And then to do this, yeah, that's disk setup. That's also disk setup. Okay, right. Okay, so what we're going to do is BSR 50346. Yep. BSR 50034. Yep. Okay. Move Q1 into D7. D7, which is our start track. Move Q hash. Let's just tell it to load that file for now, off the same side of the disk, into D2, and then BSR 4FC00, right? And then there, what we're gonna do, we did this last week, but I lost the ripper, so move.w D7 into D0. Multiply that by a track. Add dot long word C 1 2 3 4 5 to D0, and then move that into A0, and then BSR F500A4, and then RTS. Right, so to recap, kill interrupts, kill everything off, flush all of slow RAM, yep, do some disk initialization, set a track number, set a number of tracks to read, break to this routine. This routine will move that into D0, multiply it by number of tracks, add our loading address to it, and then move that into A0, and then run that and then return. Okay. And then BRA F4F842. Yep. And then on there we're going to SM that as RIP from 4F800 to 50400. Okay, KK. Gerbil. Is that which Hoffman is that though? There's loads of them. Okay. This looks good. Right. So this should clear slow RAM, initiate a load, or do square root of fuck all. Oh, I did this. I fucked this up last time as well, didn't I? I did do this last time. Hang on. Oh, that's the original Outrun disc. Be careful with that, Ian. That's happy. Okay, right. I fucked this up last time. Whoa! In you go. That's supposed to be 172. I don't want to put that. Let me just check that works still. Yeah, that's good. SM RIP F8000 to 50400. How do you know which tracks to rip? There's 4 manual calls to the loader with specific registers being filled, and then there's we found a table of start track and number of tracks. But I might go a little bit further on this one, just to make sure we've covered all bases, right? So. Okay. Is my breakpoint still set? Yeah. Oh, got a couple there. Okay, F800. Okay, good. Not Star Trek, no. Start track. It's got tracks that their loader cannot read. Whether they're unformatted or not, I don't know. But yeah, so here for example, so C3B2, okay. So let's just, let's remember that. Let's write that down somewhere. 3B200, right, so 3B200. Right, so let's say, for example, that actually what we want to do here is read from track 1, and we want to do How many is that? Let's do 4F. That's too many. But fuck it, let's just do it, right? Outrun disk's still in, right? Flushes, so every time we run this now, that flushes out slow RAM, so we've got nothing in there. And that fails. Waterman. Oh, nice to see you there, mate. Okay, so that's 3B200 divided by 1600. So that got to 2B. So based on our other numbers that we were looking at earlier, right? (2.7), which is actually 2.8 plus 3 is 2B. So that works. That calculates, right? So but we calculated this, didn't we? But I wonder. I know we did. No, we did all this shit. Okay. Move Q. Hang on. 3C. 3C into D7, and then move Q. It says 1-3 there. Maybe it's 1-4. Fuck it. It doesn't matter. D2, and then BSR 4C000. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me just save that. Grid point. Off to bed as well. No worries. Thanks for tuning in. Right. Oh, Jesus. That is not going to last very long, that. Breakpoint, delete all. It's a CPU speed. JC1980, I don't know if you spotted it there, but there was a busy wait delay on part of the loading routine with the CPU, moving a value into a register and then just who's off? A grid point. No worries. Okay, so how far did that go? 6E00. 6E00 divided by 1600. Okay, so that is a full set of tracks, right? We know that's good. We're going to write those to this diskette anyway. And if we just check the memory area, you'll see it's clear. And then you've got data. Right, so write track 0, 50, C1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's tracks done. Right, so that's side 1 done. Right, what I'm going to do for this We're going to SM rip 2 F800 50400. Okay, just save the file for now. I don't want to jinx it, but we haven't had a BAM not valid yet, have we? Okay. Terrible fire. Yeah, last week's homework's done. We're trying to rip the second side of the disc again, and I can't remember what CIA address controls which side of the disc you're working with. We did look this up last week, and I've forgotten. Let me just look it up again. First person to put in the correct address and the bit that I need to flip would be really helpful. But I'm going to go look it up. Hardware reference manual. Interface hardware. Floppy disk controller. Here we go. Disk system. It's bit 2. Is it BFE 001? Control and stepping. Yeah, PB2, that's what it's called. BFD 100. Okay, so actually to read the second side of the disc, I need to change that into a bit clear. I believe. Okay, SM rip to F800. Right. Tip 2. Oh, for fuck's sake. That looks correct to me. Right. Back in you go. Back in you go, you little cunt. Okay, so where did that get to? 59600. I don't think that's right. Did I write this down anywhere? Okay, F800. Let's do that, right? Go for F800. Let's just start it again from the top. Okay. Whoa, what have I missed there? Massive earthquake. Vampire MSX. Jesus Christ. Sorry. I'm not supposed to swear on stream that much, but wow, that is that's hardcore, mate. Sorry to hear that. That's horrible. It feels like it should be everything. I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do something very hacky. F42. Sub.longword. C12345 from A0. Okay. Move.longword A0 into D2. Div U 1C00 into D2. Yeah. This will make sense. Honest gov. I'm pretty close to the end of the disc there anyway, so I don't know why it wouldn't work. Yep. With D2, put the divide up by that. Okay, yep. And then move Q. Fuck it. 50 into D7. BSR. BSR. Oh yeah. 4C00. Yep. There, and then just branch 4F 842. So, what have I just done here? This seems like mentalism. But it's going to get the last address. Fuck, that's no good. Okay, divide that by that. Hang on. Divide that. Yep. Move that into there, and then we want to add q.w/1 to D2. BSR C00. Yeah, and then BRA F8 42. Okay. Okay. SM rip to F8 0 to 57400. Okay. Do I need to round up to -1? No, it'd be fine. Shit the bed. Fucking label was nearly dead. I'm going to set a breakpoint there. And then go 4000, right. Playable speed. Yeah. I get so far. Okay. Registers. D0. Okay, now actually we can trace this, can't we? So you'll see that'll subtract that from A0. That'll move that into D2. That'll divide that by, yeah, to get to track 41, which is the last track we got to. We'll put loads of tracks into D2. We'll add one track to there, 42, and then it will do that. And .6e. Set a breakpoint there. And what is 50 times 1600? Oh, that's it. We're at the end. That's got to be everything then. Well, let's just write that track back then. Right track, 50 to 50. So 50 times 1600. 6e. So that's got to be everything then. See what I did there? See what I did there? Right, I'm going to write this. I'm going to do a BRB. I'm going to get a beer, and then I'll be back in just a moment. You can have that one. I mean, I'd say JC1980. It's not the only thing it does that's fairly smart. The fact you can write a file to a disk is very bloody handy. Even if it does do BAM errors every now and then. But I must admit, since getting an Action Replay again and reading up on how it works, I do love the fact that it basically just occupies the bus and there's basically nothing any software can do about it. Almost. You got yourself a terrible file, you got yourself an AR3 now. Good man. We all need Action Replays in our lives. Love my Action Replays. Brilliant. Right. I mean, of course you are. You've released a demo, and you're planning your second demo. Welcome to the club.
US Gold present from
Still broken. Which means this is going to be knackered as well, isn't it? The fuck is that doing? Come on, let's get some tunes on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, now my loader's fucked. Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Something's fucked with my loader. Okay. (26A-C0), yeah. It's a one. So actually, 400 minus 1AA is actually 256. So potentially, I think that's maybe what the issue is. Okay. Pixels at dawn, yeah, maybe. Okay, I've got an idea for a test, right? Oh, this game's starting to actually get on my nerves a bit. Rob Smith Dev, ZZ's from you, no worries, mate. Okay, do one more test. Okay, let's try 4F123, right. I'm going to try one thing here. Oh, why did I do that as a short address? That was such a stupid thing to do here. 70200. Yeah, move that to there, move that to there. To A. Branch to 500, right? And then 5,000, 50,000 even. FAC0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Assemble JSR. Hang on. Oh, is that 172 that was going to? December 50172. Yeah. Assemble JMP. No, I tell you what we'll do. JSR 70200. Move Q 0 into D0 RTS. Okay, yep. Yeah. Let's do that. Right, and then that will be a branch to 50172. And then that one will be a branch to 50172. Yep. Okay. And then assemble 3DF0 JSR 70200. Yep. Move Q 0 into D0. Yep. And then RTS. That's a lot of fucking bytes. Okay. Oh Christ. If I get this right first time, it'd be a miracle. 3-4. Move .W 4EB9 into 3DF0.S. Move .long word 7702000 into 3FD2. Yep. Move long word, fuck it. 7004E75 into 3FD6. Fucking hell, yeah. And then jump 400.S. And then last but not least, what we're going to do is we're going to change that to 70400 SM boot 5. It's close. Yes, thank you. Well spotted. 3DF0, 3DF2, and then 3DF6. Fuck it. Who put that there? Commander Keen, mate. Bloody hell. You are on the ball. The power of the TTE crew. Right, if this works at all, it'll be a bloody miracle, if I'm honest. Right. Okay, so let's just check this out a sec. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Four five FA8 PC, A1. And then no up that. Whoop, hang on. Fuck it, no up that. Okay, that's better. SM boot. Shit, right? Because this is going to be my last ditch attempt at this now. What's that? NE7 gifting a sub to DVS. You lovely, lovely person. I think our rip of the second side of the disc is not working properly. Maybe that's why nothing's working, if I'm brutally honest. Yeah, do you know what? Just leave it as software failure. I thought this is a 1.3. Surely that should say Guru. Oh, it does say Guru Meditation. Okay, fair enough. I think I want the IPF. I don't think this is actually good. So... flashbacks to revision set. Yeah. Might help. I tell you what. I am going to have a look at that off stream, I think. But at least we haven't lost the files this time, right? Everything's been solid. So the patchwork's still there. Is it the PSU? Commander Keen gifting a sub off to Butterscotch Toffee. Oh, God, I want some Butterscotch bloody Angel Delight now. Nando, SM9, Dazman79, and Pino. What's going on with that? Why is it making a noise now? Anyway, if you could all give Commander Keen a big hug, he's gifted you a sub. So hang on, I can't. Let's not lose that. All right, let's go desktop. Let me look at the desktop because I've had a request. Man's done a pull-up, so there we go. What did Jim is dead by Doe? Oh, Jim is dead. Doe. That's going to be amazing if that comes up. Tracker. No, mod archive. Jim is dead. .mod. Oh, perfect. The mod archive. Let's download that. Yeah, Jim is dead. Oh, 700k. That's big, isn't it? Okay. Yep. There we go. Here we go. This is requested by NE7, and this is Jim is dead by Doe. Okay, that has looped now, hasn't it? Right, so I'm going to take a break from the game that is onslaughting my will to live at the moment and demonstrate to you something else that I've been working on. So first of all, let me drag up a Pro Tracker module here for you, and let's have a quick listen to this. There we go. No, back a folder, please. Mods. There we go. Right, so first of all, check this out, and also check the file size on this bad boy, right? That is, ooh, she's a big one. Right, so, have a listen. Right, this is 1 meg, right? I mean, you're absolutely right, Hooverphonic. I'm a greedy musician with a lot of instruments. Okay. I pretty much at that point just rolls out. So if you imagine this is I don't think I even used that sample.
not the way. One more time, can't see your face.
Drum and bass mix. So that's 1 megabyte, right? So the thing that I'm working on is this. Here it is, which is a streaming player. So the idea is that you use a 4-bit delta. So every single sample then becomes half the size, right? So if you imagine we've got, let's do a bit of calculation, right? So let's say we've got 1 megabyte of RAM, right? So you can fit 2 megabytes of sample data within 1 megabyte of RAM, but you can't play it like that. So what this does,
my eyes, the goggles do nothing.
I mean, you lot are so on point. It's embarrassing on my part, really. So what this does, let me just build it. So you can see here, there's some code. There's 500k of samples rather than 1 megabyte of samples, and a bit of music data there. So actually, this whole thing fits in just over half a meg. Oh no, actually we've got some stream buffers there. So yes, there's a bit of space there. So the idea is, instead of actually having the samples in memory, it basically buffers them out. It unpacks them in real time and plays them. It is janky at the moment, but this is kind of what it sounds like at the moment. It is broken. It needs fixing, but Jesse 1980, exactly. The only things that need to be in chip RAM are the unpacking buffers, which is 8 of them, and some other bits and pieces. But yeah. Speed it up a bit. Hang on. Stuff's kind of sounding a bit like it's just not in time, so there's issues. It's almost there, like, yeah, it's almost there. No, it's not the shuffle. Ooh, there's a nasty noise in that as well. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's not good, is it? I've listened to it this far, hang on. can hear now. What? I didn't get that earlier. Why does it say Dalamousse? Dalamousse, Dalamousse, Dalamousse? Because that's obviously intentional. Let's have a look. Let's just have a look at our raster usage here. See, there's no reason. Oh, that's big. Why is that so fucking big? Okay. Oh yeah, so as you can see here, these are the audio interrupts. So these chunks of blue are uncompressing. There's no disc access at all. God, no, you don't want to put that in the mix. It wouldn't be fast enough. So yeah, so that's unpacking a chunk of sample data. That one's unpacking a chunk of sample data. That's the replay routine there. Bam, the red one. So no, it's just all in RAM. So the idea is that if you've got a 2 meg module, you can fit all the sample data in 1 meg. But the problem is you can't play it like that. So you have to develop a way of streaming that data into buffers, unpacking it, and then playing it, and then swapping it out and stuff. But it's close. Let me just, I just like having a look at the raster usage. Yeah, see, there's enough gap there. You can see here, I think this is where our problem is, right? See this blue here? That's unpacking a channel, and then the replay routine kicks off in here, and then basically fucks with it. I think that's where the problem is. Yeah, so the idea being is that you could basically throw mutex. Mate, an Amiga doesn't know what a mutex is. And not general tempo of the tune being an issue, like if it's slow, keep up more. The only thing that's going to be a real problem is sample rate, but I think it's fast enough to deal with 4 channels at like the top end of the period table, so I think that's fine. I think it's just race conditions, right? Like the interrupts are unpacking sample data, and the replay routine's coming along to go, no, play this instead, and they're fighting with each other. I think that's what's happening basically. So note the tracker module with CIA timing. Which CIA timer is it? The correct one, which is the one that's the highest level, basically. So it's CIA timers, audio interrupts, everything else. So yeah, that's all fine. It's just basically, it's just a race condition. So exactly, yeah. So the B has to happen correctly because the audio interrupts take a lot of time, and if they mess with the music timing, this is going to be an absolute disaster. So that can't happen. So that's why. So yeah, there we go. Proof of concept. 2 days work. We're nearly there. So it is super close though. Yeah, it is super close. And we've got a few minutes. We've got a bit of time left. Does anyone have any demo suggestions? Like a lot of folks might not notice, yeah, but I do. Most just do 1 meg mod in a demo intro. Yeah. technically, you could also have a demo that requires fast mem with Mahusive module. Yeah, technically. And that would all be in fast RAM, so unpacking and stuff would probably be a bit quicker, but okay. Oh, you see, we've opened this before, haven't we? Hang on. Desktop. DM. There we go. Let's delete that lot. So what is 4-bit encoding instead of 8-bit? Doing some sort of ADPCM adaptive. It's not adaptive. It's super basic. And let me just get this disk right in. Right, com6, yep, and then whoop, and then boop. Right, that can write. No worries, dude. I can show you the code for that. I'll show you how basic the unpacker is. Audio unpack. That is the routine that does the unpacking, right? I've optimized the crap out of this. So actually, if you look at... Where is it? It's in here somewhere. That's the 4-bit lookup table that it uses for each delta value. So yeah, basically that's the reason why it's this particular delta method is because that unpacks 2 bytes. So yeah, it's dead simple. Then you unroll the crap out of that, and then so it's quick. But yeah, it's just getting all the race conditions sorted out. Once they're locked in and fixed, yeah. Good on memory and speed. Benjissimo. That's a... Or is it Bengissimo? I don't know which way around it is. Let me know. But yeah, so the idea is basically my dream... Ben will do. I like that. My dream has been to get professional tracker running on an Amiga 500 with 512K chip RAM and 512K slow RAM. And we're that close. So what I'll probably do, if there's some CPU time, we'll do some stuff on screen. And then we'll make little 1-disc versions of all of my huge modules that would not play on a 500, but they'll be on 1 disc. So you just put the disc in, plays the tune, loops, the rest of it. So that means we get surveillance, pattern skank, the bootleg I did the other week, all of those, anything that's like above a megabyte, bam, get it in there. 700 mods per, it's more like 1 mod per disc, but yeah, that's the idea. So that should work out really nicely. Let's get disc 2 writing. Has anyone got any other... So whilst this is running, we do have a fair bit of time. So if you've got any more suggestions of demos that you would love to see, chuck them in. There we go. That is writing. Old school, modern, yeah. My second drive's been off all night, actually. Terrible Fire. We've already done Blood Sugar Rises. I'll let everyone know what I think about it. Hey, seeing as you can compress your mods on your disc. Now I can increase. I mean, Pixels, that perfectly encapsulates the situation that I have. Where if I run out of RAM, I code my way out of it. So, Hooverphonic work. Copies by Decadence. NE7, if that's an AGA demo, then it's not happening because we got the 500 outside. I will look it up though when we're watching this. Red Sector, follow me. What was Chucky's demo? I never saw it. I didn't see that. I missed something. Nope. It's not 600. It is a 500. So. Right. Make the noise. Here you go. Batman Rises. they do love Batman. I mean, it's a bloody great demo. But, yeah, I really want to see Batman Group put all of that technical ability into making something with their own theme. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Imagine that. Imagine that. All of that technical prowess smushed into some beautifully new and fresh theme. Right, someone mentioned Soil by Alcatraz, which is a brilliant demo. So I've got the disc. Original theme concepts are thin on the ground. Yeah, that's where not Batman Group then. Yeah, but you know, I would not want to put. I wouldn't want to paint myself into that corner. You know. Anyway, we're gonna do Soil by Alcatraz because this demo, 64K. Oh, 40K, sorry. And it's really rather bloody good. And Virgil is a madman. So, yeah, I'm sorry, the encoder's now dead. And, of course, we have the... there's no text here, though, is there, to entertain you? So... as it should be clean now anyway. I do love these pre-calc moments though. Loading, brah. That is bloody brilliant. It is really good, isn't it? What else we got in here? Music. Equalised by X-Men. What is equalised by X-Men? Paint. Okay. Party Savari. Right, because they must be pictures. That must be music. Paint is super cute. We did watch it last week though. I am writing one more disc to roll us out. Just because that's how we roll. Let's do that. Oh yeah, a bit of ASMR. Can we get it in? Oh, so good. So good. The lovely words. I know. It's so good, isn't it? Okay, last demo. I think what I'll do is I will... I'm going to go I'm going to go grab an IPF image of Outrun and then run my ripping tools on that disc and just double check some stuff. The words are only beaten by the smells of the old machines. Yeah. Virtuo UK, thanks for the follow. See Discord. I will do. I won't pull it up now. My Amiga smells of cigs and broken dreams. Yeah, thankfully none of my Amigas smell of cigarettes anymore. So, no, the Outrun thing is there's something wrong. I don't know what it is. A baked-in sniff of whiskey. Oh. Look at that. Ruining the messages. Oh no, there we go. Still probably quicker than most AGA 060 demos, which I think is the biggest shade I've ever thrown in a demo in my life. So, Booney, you're off, mate. No worries. Thanks for tuning in. This is Circumvent by TTE. Here you go. And this is probably where it crashes. Yeah, there we go. That's how we crash a demo. A bit loony. Oh, mate, you have well, you've just seen a software failure. There you go. There we go. TTE circumvent. Bam, done. And yeah, we are out now. I'm afraid. Bit loony. I'm sorry. What were you up to anyway, mate? Let me get some background music. Blue screen. Essentially, yes. We'll just leave that there, hanging. I'm off to bed too. I'm not off to bed yet. I'm going to have some cheese on toast because I made some bread earlier. So I am freaking... I've had dinner, but I am freaking starving. Amiga's even had the best screens of death. Davros, I mean, yeah. Night Owl, yes. UK Gamer, how you doing there, mate? Still working, all right. Thanks for the stream. No worries, Laurie. NE7, love like Semtex. Bit loony, thanks for the raid. Thanks everyone for joining in. But we are signing off now, though. NE7, terrible fire. Yeah, who else wants cheese on toast? 11 o'clock in the evening. That's what I'm doing. Trap Shot, Dark Star, Gerbil, Commander Keen, Cookie Poo Brain, thanks for today. Thanks for tuning in. Jab, ZE user, Bus still weirded. Need the mouse on Amiga. Why not the keyboard? You can use the keyboard on the Amiga if you haven't got a mouse. Let me just. Oh, where's all that gone? Oh wow, Ian, you completely balls this up. Okay. How do we do this? That's right. Very professionally, like we always do, right? By doing that. No, have a look at the Amiga. There you go. Have a look at that. And then, there we go. Let me just press a button here. Samson, Offog, mate. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to go and have a look at Outrun off stream before next week. And then hopefully we can just wrap it up and put a crack intro on it, right? But for now, thanks everyone for tuning in. Much love. We're going to raid. You know where we're going, don't you? You know where we're going. DVS, thanks for the stream. Entertaining and informative. Brilliant. Can you put a game intro to Outrun? Well, there is that. We could put a better game. We could probably put a better game in the boot block of Outrun than the entire game of Outrun. Anyway, we're going to go right over to Charlie. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Much love. You're all amazing. I'll be back. Oh yeah. No, I won't be. I won't be back on Monday. Who knows? I'll be back somewhere. Nice bit of Charlie. Commander Keen, bye. No worries. See you all very soon. You're all amazing. And we're going to go raid Charlie. Let me start that. There we go. And let me do the outro. And I will see you all very soon on a stream near you. Yeah.